Rene here. I am back to show you the December Cut Above Layout Kit from the Craft with Heart subscription service. This kit makes two-page layouts, and it is a cut above style, so everything is pretty much ready to go. It does come with your page protectors, so you've got all the page protectors you need to put it in your album. It comes with stickers for layout 1 and layout 2, and they're clearly marked, and they are the hard cardstock stickers. It also comes with some additional stickers. Looks like there's 2 pages of stickers. That's awesome. Oh, I love these fronds. Then you have your die cuts. It doesn't look like we have too many die cuts this time. That's kind of nice. So we've got the die cuts, which I'll take care of here in a moment. We've got the photo placeholders, and we've got all of your pre-cut, those placeholders out of the way. Got all of your pre-cut pieces of paper, so you don't have to do anything, and you'll know exactly which color to use because they're white on the back and then the color is on the top. Then you also have your pre-printed background pages. This will be for layout 2, so we'll put that aside. We don't need that quite yet. And then here are the pre-printed pages, layout background papers for layout 1. So I will go ahead and get started, and I will put some music on for you, and I'll be back at the end to talk a little bit about the project. Enjoy. These turned out really cute. So this is something I haven't seen done before, but I kind of like it, is just the partial matting behind. They did it on this side and on this side, so that's kind of cool. I changed these around just a little bit because they had the packages on the sled, but they didn't make any sense because they were on the rail, not on the top of the sled where they would sit. Well, then when I put them on the top of the sled, they covered up so much of the picture. I'm like, no, this isn't going to work. So I moved them down. I did forget to put that on, but it's no big deal. I pulled that one up a little bit, put it in there. This particular item was in the die cuts, but I don't see where they used it in the layout. So I put it right there. I thought it looked nice right there. So I really like this. I think this turned out really cute. I love this. I love this gingham kind of red and pink. That's a really nice color combination. And then this one is just beautiful. It makes me want us to go get professional Christmas type pictures taken in some beautiful forest. Yeah, I love the pictures. Just to show you, I love the pictures they used for the sample. Those are just fun pictures on the back of a pickup truck. That would match this so well. So but this one turned out really cute as well, and it is just genius the way they did this one large piece with all the ferns on it. That made it so much easier than it would have been placing them all individually. Now there was one thing I wish I would have put this down, these two pieces down first. I actually covered up one whole frond because I just didn't realize it. So if you do this particular kit, put these down first, then go ahead and put all your ferns down, or put your big fern down, put these down, then do everything else. So, but I think these both turned out really cute. I hope that if you got this scrapbooking kit that you really enjoy it. You can still get, I did find out, if you want the, September, October, November, December card kits for the subscription service, you can go ahead and sign up for the subscription service, indicate that those are the ones you want, and they will send you your first shipment right away. And then for January, February, March, and April, you'll get those kits in January. So if this is something you really like, feel free to check it out on my website. I'll have a link down below. Just click on subscriptions at the top of my website when you get there, and it'll give you all kinds of information. But if you have more questions, just let me know. I will be more than happy to help you out. And I hope you enjoyed the project today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.